Good evening, everyone. I hope you all are doing well, right? Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
I
Good
think you
evening,
can
sir.
unmute, right?
Evening,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
Good evening,
What's up?
sir.
What's up?
Everything is all right.
Uh, Everything is all right.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, okay. Let me talk with you, all of you first. Then we'll start. Ivans, what's up? Ivans Vijay Tiwari.
Everything fine, sir.
Yeah. Oh, where from? Where are you from?
I am from Lucknow.
Lucknow. Okay. Uh, then Arunadham Jena. Where are you from?
Hi, sir. I'm from Odisha, sir.
Kodi.
Sir, Jaspur. Sir, Jaspur.
Okay. Nimisa. Nisma. Sorry. Nisma. Where are you from?
I'm from Virajpet, sir. Coorg.
Kur means कौन सा state?
Kodagu, Karnataka.
Karnataka. Okay. Mohammed Faraj. Where are you from?
I am from Hyderabad, sir.
Hyderabad. Okay. Anyone from Bengaluru? Anyone is there from Bengaluru? Hmm. Is there anyone else?
I think no one is from Bangalore, but I'm planning to shift in the Bangalore for
Okay.
working here.
Why? Why? What's the reason?
Bangalore is a good, quite good
I
city, very
think so.
big
It is a
city,
IT
and
hub.
there are.
That's why most of us are joining to in Bangalore.
Huh. Okay. Nisma. Where are you from?
Sir, I'm from Virajpet.
Okay. Then let me see others. What are the people? Akanksha Raj.
Yes, sir.
Ajit.
Yes,
Akanksha
sir.
Raj.
Good
Where are
evening,
you
sir.
from? Akanksha.
Sir, Punjab, Ludhiana.
Okay. You are in engineering? You're pursuing engineering?
No. Medical.
What? Medical?
Yeah.
Means you are a medical student.
Yes. Cardiology.
Then why are you here?
एक्सपीरियंस है सर
Experience
14 इयर्स
मतलब?
का उसका भी स्कूल टाइम में डाटा एनालिस्ट वगैरह ये सब कर रखा है ना मैंने इसीलिए अभी मैं कॉलेज में हूँ
कौन सा कॉलेज?
क्रिश्चियन मेडिकल कॉलेज लुधियाना
Means private or government college it is?
गवर्नमेंट प्राइवेट
Okay. Means you have completed the MBBS. Graduation is
नो नो
completed.
फर्स्ट ईयर है सर
So you are in MBBS first year.
या
Okay. अभी तो कुछ स्पेशलाइजेशन नहीं होगा ना, उसके बाद होगा तुम्हारा.
यस सर
Then Amartya Sen, where are you from? Ananya, Ankan Jena, अरे
Hello, sir.
Ankan
Yes,
Jena,
sir.
where
I'm
are you
from
from?
West Bengal, sir.
West Bengal. Okay. Arundham, as you two are brother, Ankan and Arundham.
No,
I
sir.
think Arundham
No,
Jena is from
sir.
Odisha.
Yeah, sir.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bhubaneswar, sir.
कहाँ? Kodi.
Sir, Solace River.
What?
Solace River, sir.
Okay. Okay, let me introduce myself. Okay, I'll introduce myself after your introduction. I'll give you how to present yourself in front of the recruiter. Okay, how to give the interview. What is the process of introducing yourself? Devdutt Parali, are you there? Where are you from? Devdutt. Dev Morkar. Where are you from, buddy?
Good evening, sir. I'm from Surat, Gujarat.
Surat.
Yes.
Okay. Then Gagan. Where are you from, bhai? Gagan. Am I audible or to everyone?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
you are.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Jaya Surya. Where are you from? Hmm.
Hello, sir. I'm audible. I'm from Paramur, Tamil Nadu.
Okay. Tamil Nadu. Okay, then. Okay, who are the people who are from Odisha? Can you please raise your hand? Those are from Odisha. Only Zena. Suraj Agarwal. Where are you from, Suraj?
Sambalpur, Odisha.
Okay, means proper Ghara Sethi.
Yes, sir.
Anyone else? Agrawal. Yes, Agrawal title is there.
Yes, sir.
You're native to Sambalpur, right?
Yes, sir.
संबलपुरी आता है आसुची
Yes, sir.
संबलपुरी आसुची होता लैंग्वेज
हाँ सर आसुची
केमती एबे एक्सेंट रू जଣା पड़ने किसी कहले में भी जानी परिबी like okay this is the class we cannot continue okay then let me see Monish Patil, are you there? Monish, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Where are
Yes,
you
sir.
from, bhai? Where are you from?
Sir, I am from Mumbai. But currently, I am in London for pursuing masters in computer science.
Masters in computer science. What's your CGPA in BTech?
7.7.
बैकलॉग कितना था?
Sir, नहीं था.
मतलब सब एक ही बार में क्लियर हो गया था?
हाँ.
हाँ?
हाँ सर.
सच बोल.
हाँ सर.
मतलब मुझे नहीं लग रहा है कि तू सच बोल रहा है. बोल रहा है क्या? सच बोल रहा है
सर
क्या?
एक था क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग में एक था 7th सेमेस्टर.
ओके. अरे ऐसे मतलब सर मानने की क्या बात है भाई. बैकलॉग होता है, सबका होता है, पर मेरा नहीं था. ओके.
मेरा भी नहीं था सर, गलती से लग गया एक.
गलती से एक तो लगा ना.
हाँ.
निकिता धोवले, आर यू देयर निकिता?
Yes, sir.
Where are you from?
So I am from Pune.
Which year of engineering?
No, so I have completed my bachelor's degree in commerce and recently I did my data analyst course.
बैकलॉग कितना था ग्रेजुएशन में?
नहीं था सर.
सच बोलो.
सच्ची.
अच्छा. Nisma PS, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Where are you from? Yes, sir.
I'm from Virajpet.
What? Viraj State?
It's Karnataka state. Kodagu.
Okay.
District is Kodagu. Near to Bangalore,
Yep.
sir.
Near to Bangalore?
Yes.
Means this Tumkuru side?
Not Tumkuru. Like we'll get Mysore and then Virajpet.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Then Viraj Desai. Viraj Pet se Viraj Desai. Viraj Desai, are you there?
Hi, sir. I'm
Where are you from?
I'm from Kolhapur, but now currently I am in Mumbai in search of job.
कोल्हापुर का नाम सुना सुना लग रहा है.
Maharashtra, Kolhapur.
Maharashtra. Okay. Mohammed San, where are you from, bhai?
What?
I'm
And
from
who
Kerala.
are the people? Those are from means non-technical background. Please raise your hand. Non-technical background means not from science as well. Only art students,
I'm
arts and
from
commerce.
science, Bachelor of Science. I completed.
Okay. Okay. Then please all of you, lawyer. Okay. Can you please raise your hand? Those are from engineering background. Chinmay, Shreya. Shreya, which college?
Sir, Konganadu College of Engineering and Technology, Trichy, sir.
Trichy, which state?
Tamil Nadu.
Okay. Kailash, which college?
Good evening, sir. SRM Institute of Science and Technology.
SRM. कहाँ है ये?
Chennai, Chennai. Chennai, Tamil.
Rohit. Okay, those please now please all of you lower your hand, and those are from fourth year. Please raise your hand. Fourth year of engineering. This much? Let me see. Only 7. Okay, I'm getting it. Now, Tejaswini Melagati. Which year
Yes,
of
sir.
engineering you are in?
Final
What
year,
is
sir.
final year? Okay. So if I'll start with data analytics, should I explain first about what is data? Then I'll go to data analytics. Is that fine for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How
Yes,
to deal with different types of data, I'll also tell you. But before
Okay,
that,
sir.
we have to start something about that. But that's why I'm introducing you to you all with all of you first. This is the main thing, okay? Because coming here and just explaining about the things is not the big task for me. Okay, I can do that easily. But for your concern, because okay, I'll share you what the things we are going to discuss first. Introduction to data analytics, I'll tell you. Then the types of data, types of analytics. Then we'll be having some imputation method. What are the life cycle? In that life cycle, we'll discuss about the evaluation matrices. We'll go directly for before evaluation matrices. We have to understand what is machine learning. What is classification? What is regression? Then we'll discuss more about the evaluation matrices, how to handle different types of data, what is imputation method, if the data set is having null values or empty values, how to fill it or how to drop the value, how to perform the EDA, how to detect the outliers in the data, then how to perform what is that outlier detection technique, various outlier detection technique also we'll discuss. Then Weka tool, MATLAB, then data analytics, data analysis and visualizations using Python, using Power BI, EDA to be discussed, some of the optimization algorithm, machine learning algorithm to be discussed. I'll explain you from the basics. Okay, don't worry about that. Then big data analytics to be discussed. Okay, various things will be discussed in your class. Okay, don't worry about that. I don't have that course curriculum now because I'm using my new laptop now. But in the next class, I'll try to share with my old one so that I can share you what's the course curriculum and everything. Getting it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
before
sir.
that, let me first introduce myself. I'm Chandan Misra. I'll be your guide for data analytics program throughout this whole journey. We'll be discussing the theory and practical based stops. Then we'll be doing the project. I'll explain about the project, how to work on your project. Okay, not today, not tomorrow. The next week we'll start about the project. First, you gain some knowledge. What is data analytics? How to work on the project. First, understand this much, then we can start. Getting it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
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 sir.
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, having said that, let me. So, how to introduce first? Okay, for how to introduce yourself. Can anyone tell me? Now it's the time for the interviews and everything. Can anyone tell me how to introduce yourself in front of anyone, in front of any recruiter or something like that? Do you have any sorts of idea? Then you may speak. Hmm. Any idea?
Sir, yes, sir.
Hmm. Tell me how to introduce
First of
yourself.
all, start with
Just, just,
yes, sir.
just introduce yourself to me.
I'm Sri Prakash, a computer science engineering student from Group of Institution, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. And then I have built a strong foundation in data analysis in my college years and my previous internship experience. And then I was proficient in Python, SQL, Power BI, and Excel. And I have built some notable projects like PISA sales analysis, IPL data analysis. That's it, sir.
Okay. So how I'll introduce yourself? Just listen to me fast. Then we'll start with data analytics. Okay. Let's PPT along with me. We'll start with that. Before that, okay. So how to introduce yourself? First, good evening. If you know the recruiter's name, you can call this sir, ma'am, or if you don't know the name, then you can call the name. Good evening, sir or ma'am. Suppose. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself to you. I'm Chandan Misra. Then for the startup, if you are in a MNC, then no need to discuss about the family background. Then you are native to. I'm native to Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and currently, if you are pursuing or you have completed, suppose you are pursuing, I'm pursuing BTech at CV Raman or KIT University, and my graduation is about to complete in the next couple of months. Currently, I want to secure a job with the specific company name that you are appearing for, and my long term goal is to gain a work experience of 5 to 7 years in the field of data science machine learning, and I used to work in a senior position contributing to the betterment of my workplace and society, and I have done various of projects. Sorry, after that you can tell that I am a self motivated and disciplined soul, and I always keen to upskill my knowledge by learning new things whenever I get a chance. Then I had internships with Infotact Solutions, where I learned the required skills like data deep learning, NLP, warehousing, data analytics, imputation, optimization, all of the required skills that you have gained knowledge, and I gained a valuable industry knowledge and experience. Then I have completed various of projects like IP data analytics, AI-driven task optimization, attendance monitoring system, employee management system, equation builder project, recommendation engines, recognition, image segmentation and captioning, all these various types of projects I've done. Then my strengths are my analytical approach and my human touch to the situations, my appreciable communications, and the presentation skills. And I believe in being realistic. In my free time, I enjoy spending time with music, and I love to sing. And I performed in various college festivals and some various clubs outside, means in Odisha or somewhere else. Then thank you. If you have any specific questions, then please ask. I'll be glad to answer that. This is the way how you'll introduce yourself. That's maximum 2 minutes, minimum 1.5 minutes would be there. Okay? It's not like that you will just tell your name and yes, thank you. Getting it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This is the way how you're introducing yourself to the recruiter or anyone else. Getting it?
Yes.
Now, coming to the
Yes,
topic.
sir.
What do you mean by data analytics?
Sir, it's about visualizing the data, sir.
And gets insight from data and represent
Mhm.
it in front of clients.
Get insight from data and give recommendations for which company may grow in future.
To analyze the data.
Anyone else?
Visualize the
process
data
of
and
analyzing
solve the business problem.
It is
Supports
a process of examining raw data to find trends.
supports decision making.
Supports decision making. Cool.
Data analysis is basically converted a unstructured data to a structured data for understanding the process of the data. What are the analyzing method or anything else using indexes or any other processes.
Cool. Okay. Anyone else?
the process of
To
analyzing raw
interpret
data,
The process of what?
analyzing raw data to extract insights and effective decision and pattern and trends.
Okay. Anyone else?
Yes,
Basically, for
sir.
data analysis, there are many tools are available in IT field, but most probably using for SQL because it is a structured language, so it is more easy to understand and more easier to complete a data analysis with the sequence functions.
Anyone else?
The data analysis sir, to find the to create a dashboard, sir.
What to create?
To create a visuals and a dashboard, sir.
Hmm.
Data analytics is different. Data visualization is
Not
different.
getting the proper answer till now.
Yes, sir. Data analytics is to find trends and patterns in the data set,
To
and
find the
we can
trends and
move
patterns.
like that.
What
So
pattern?
converting raw data to
Analyze the
raw
data
data.
by
Hmm.
using some analyzing tools like Tableau and Power BI and getting insight from the data and present it also in front of clients.
Listen.
That means
Now,
data analysis.
now listen to me.
So
I think so.
converting raw
Tableau and
Data
data
Power,
to
Power BI
analytics.
is
information.
Now
used for
listen.
visualization, not for
बहुत हो
analysis,
गया भाई,
right?
बहुत हो. Data analytics is the process of examining, cleaning, transforming, and modeling the data to discover useful insights, support decision making, and to identify the patterns.
Patterns, right?
Involves the techniques and tools to analyze the structured and unstructured data for better business intelligence. When it comes to structured and unstructured data, what are the types of data? I'll talk you about that after this. Okay. Now, today. So, what are the things to be covered in data analytics first? What are the definition? What is the importance of data analytics? What are the types of data? What are the types of analytics? What are the applications of
There
data
are different
analytics?
types of there are different types of data available in a.
Okay, just hold on. We'll discuss. Then how to collect the data? How to pre-process the data? What are the data cleaning and pre-processing techniques? What is how to handle the different types of data? What is data transformation? When it comes to data handling, data cleaning, sorry, that handling the missing values, duplicate value, handling the outliers. Then when it comes to data transformation, that comes your normalization, encoding. Then it comes to your feature engineering, feature selection, all these things comes into picture. Then when it comes to data integration and warehousing, what is data warehousing, all these things also we'll discuss. We are going to discuss in this. So first, can you tell me what do you mean by data? What is the data?
So
Data,
data
It's
I
a
think so,
collection
it is
of
a
collection of
collection
information, sir.
information.
of
Collection of information is called data.
Data.
collection of
Data is
raw facts.
basically a raw format.
Collection of raw facts that can be
Uh,
useful later on.
Useful. It is many types of data are available like audios, videos, text,
Hmm.
etc., etc. Where it can store in a big task that's called database.
Hmm.
So storing all types of data in a single data block.
What is the database? Can anyone tell me what is the database?
Database nothing but a collection of complete raw data which is used
Uh,
to store a large amount of data set in a single block. There are different types of databases are available like cloud, like data hard drives, and many more. The main thing in this technology we are using from mainly for cloud and data warehouses to most probably analyzing the data because the cloud provides a lot of security for data analysis and data
I'll
importing
talk you
exporting.
about that. I'll talk you about that. Okay, nothing to
Okay.
worry. Data warehouse, data mining, big data we'll discuss, but hold on. So when you're talking about after that, it comes to EDA, that is exploratory data analysis. What is exploratory data analysis? To understand the data distribution, summary statistics like mean, median, mode, standard deviation, data visualizations like histogram, box plot, scatter plot, heat maps, etc. In the next class, when we'll discuss about the data analytics types, okay, data analytics types, then we'll discuss about mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and everything. But today's class, we'll discuss more over. Then data analytics can involve data visualizations like histogram, box plot, scatter plot, heat maps, then some of the correlation and trends analysis. Then some of the regression analysis also can involve linear regression, loss regression, confidence intervals, data visualizations. When it comes to, so you can see that data sources, importance of data analytics. We'll talk about that. Okay, listen. Will types to be discussed in the next class. Data sources means the data can be collected from various sources, including surveys, transactions, and social media. And the structured data, what is structured data, unstructured data? I'll talk about that. Then what are the importance of data analytics? It enables the businesses to understand their customers better, and it helps in identifying the trends that can lead to competitive advantage in the market. Then what are the processes? Definition, life cycle, data collection, data cleaning, data analysis, resume communication, and eventual readjustment, choose the right model. Okay, in the life cycle, next class to be discussed. Then data collection method, how to collect the data set from various sources. Through surveys, interviews, and some of the observations, you can collect the data set. Then the digital sources like social media and web analytics that provide you the rich data sets you can use. Then the organization may also use the transaction data from their internal system. Then when it comes to data cleaning, preparation, all these things comes under your life cycle. Data cleaning and preparation, it involves preparing the data, aggregating it, transforming it. Then what are the key analytics tools? Popular data analytics tools include Excel, R, Python, SQL, and some of the BI tools are Power BI and Tableau there. Okay. Then choosing the right tools depends on the specific requirement of the analysis task, and this is cloud platforms offer the scalable solutions for data storage and analysis. Getting it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
do you mean by data visualization?
Yes, sir.
When it comes to data visualization, it is the graphical representation of information and data, and it enhances the understanding of complex data by providing the clear insights. And it uses visual elements like charts, graphs, and maps to convey the complex data inside. I'll talk about this data visualization, but before data visualization to be discussed in the third or fourth class. Okay, when we'll discuss, I'll let you know about that. All of you remember, after the today's class, tomorrow will be for data analytics life cycle. Then after that class, we'll discuss about the EDA. Then the next class, data visualization to be discussed. Remember this and remind me at that time. Getting it? When we'll discuss about the data visualization, I'll talk about what are the various visualization graphs, charts are there. We'll discuss about that. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So now, mm, so then in data analytics, it involves some of the big data analytics. Sorry, after data visualization using Matplotlib, Session-1, Tableau, Power BI is there. Then it comes to machine learning and data analytics. Means introduction to machine learning. What is the supervised, unsupervised learning? Common algorithms like decision tree, random forest, SVM, means clustering. Then it comes to model evaluation and performance matrices, etc., etc. Then it comes to big data analytics that may involve, means what is big data, what are the technologies like Hadoop, Spark, Hive, then what is the NoSQL databases like MongoDB, Cassandra, etc. Then what are the real-time analytics and how to stream the data, what are the business intelligence tools and how to report them, means the difference between data analytics and business intelligence. Then the BI tools like Tableau, Power BI and Locker, how to work on them, KPI tracking and reporting, what is that, data driven decision making, how to do that. Then some of the advanced analytics and tools like deep learning in analytics, natural language processing, time series forecasting, reinforcement learning in data analytics, all those things comes into picture. Then there is something called ethical considerations for data governance and data governance. That means the data privacy should be maintained and the regulations like GDPR, HIPAA and CCPA to be followed. Then ethical AI and bias in data analytics should be performed. Then data security and compliance is an important part of this process, and the responsible data user is also an essential part of this data analytics. Getting it, everyone? Means
Yes.
data
Yes, sir.
analytics is a rapidly
Yes,
evolving
sir.
field that integrates
Yes, sir.
statistics that integrates statistics. Just a second. So data analytics is a rapidly evolving field that integrates statistics, machine learning, and business intelligence and data engineering. And these topics helps the professionals to make data-driven decisions, optimize the business processes, and innovate across industries. So the types of analytics that I told you, types and life cycle to be discussed in the next class. Okay, all of you. Now today I'll discuss about what are the types of data. Getting it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What are the types of data?
Structured data, unstructured.
Structured,
And
unstructured,
We'll
semi-structured.
discuss about that. Okay, in the upcoming sessions, how to handle them as well. But today I'll only discuss about the what are the types of data, but dealing with different types of data in analytics, how to handle them, we'll discuss in the some of the upcoming classes. Getting it?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, sir.
Yes. Now tell me, what are the types of data?
Structured
Structured
data
data
and
and
unstructured.
unstructured data.
Structured and unstructured data, sir.
Structured, unstructured data. Then
Raw data.
Qualitative data.
qualitative data. Then
Quantitative data.
Quantitative data.
Then how to deal with them, I'll talk about that in later on. I'll talk about that. Okay, don't worry, how to handle and how to deal with them. But today's class will be for what are the types of data. Anyone, can you tell me in detail?
So structured data is a data which is represented in a table or in a structured format, sir. Where the
Then
unstructured data is a data which has collection or mixed of data, sir. Like numerical data and strings, like the data can mixed up. That's called as unstructured data, sir, which contains links,
Images and videos
images,
format
and
data.
etc.
now listen. I think I've done one thing. What is that? Data augmentation. Actually, I bought this new one, new laptop. That's why everything is not with me now. Data augmentation? No, it's not there. Okay. All of you take a note. Okay. What are the data analytics and all of you remember what I've told you in the next class? What we'll discuss? We'll discuss about what are the types of analytics and the life cycle. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Remember and remind me.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
first, when you're talking about the
Okay, sir.
types of data, means there are different types of data. That is important because it influences the choice of analytics method and some of the visualization techniques. When I'm talking about the types, means the data means types based on the measurement scale. Means the data can be classified into qualitative, that is categorical, or quantitative, that is numerical data, each with some subtypes. Okay. The first one is quantitative data, that is categorical data. Means this type of data represents the characteristics, labels, or attributes that describe the qualities or the categories rather than measurable the quantity. Getting it? So just I'm making a note for Ralph to notepad. Indeed. So the first one is based on the measurement. There is something called qualitative data and quantitative data. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Qualitative, what is quantitative? What is qualitative, what is quantitative?
Qualitative means
First
category.
one is, just a second, this is qualitative. And inside qualitative, there are subtypes. That is your, suppose, nominal.
Nominal, ordinal.
Then what?
Ordinal.
Ordinal. Okay, we'll discuss about that. Then there is something called, after this, based on measurement. The second type is this is qualitative, then that will be quantitative. And quantitative is of mainly two types, that is your discrete and
Continuous.
discrete, then continuous.
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 Sorry. P, then P5. Then another one will be continuous. Right. Then based on, and another thing is there. The second type is based on the structure. Based on structure, there are mainly 3 to 4 types. Okay. First one is, you can tell me.
Structured data.
That structured data.
The first one is structured data. Then structured,
Unstructured.
then
Semi-structured. Semi-structured.
semi-structured. Thereafter क्या है? After that, time series data is there. Then that will be partial. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then. And the third is types of data based on source. Source. What are the types? First one is primary. Then B is secondary data. Then types of data in analytical concept like big data, metadata is there, right? The fourth one is type of data in analytic context. Types, what are the types? I told you. First one is big data. And the second one is metadata. Getting it, everyone? Now,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
we'll discuss more about this.
Yes, sir.
So, when we are talking about qualitative data, based on the measurement, what is qualitative data? Means this type of data, all of you remember, those are from non-technical, technical. Who is that medical student? Where are you, buddy? Are you there?
Yes,
One
sir.
medical student was there. Akanksha Raj, yes. You're in first year, right?
Yes, sir.
You have
Yes, sir.
interest? You have interest in this?
Yes, sir.
So when we're talking about the first one, there is quantitative data, sorry, qualitative data. This type of data represents the characteristics, labels, or the attributes that describe the qualities or the categories rather than measurable quantity. Okay. The first one inside that is your the first one is nominal data. What is nominal data? Means here the data with categories that have these are the data with categories that have no inherent order or ranking. Example, suppose for nominal data, if you are taking the example of gender, male, female, or transgender, the colors like red, green, blue, countries, or yes or no responses, we are using nominal data. Means the categories that have no inherent order or ranking. Okay. Then what are the characteristics? It can only be counted or categorized but cannot be ordered. Getting it? What is nominal data? All of you? Gender, color, countries. This is not order, right? अगर तुम rank में भी सजाना चाहो, you cannot rank them, right? So that is called nominal data.
Nominal.
What is ordinal data? Ordinal data what? Ordinal data means
With
these are the data with
Does not
categories.
have
Listen,
inherent order.
listen. These are the data with categories that have a meaningful order, but the intervals between the value are not consistent. Okay. Suppose the customer satisfaction ratings, that is satisfied, neutral, or dissatisfied will be there in order, but the interval between the values are not consistent. Then suppose education level, high school, bachelor's, master's, PhD, there is ranking or the class ranking order. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So means ordinal data means suppose
Yes, sir.
the education level, class ranking that comes under particular order, meaningful order will be there, but the intervals between the values are not consistent. Suppose means the key characteristics we can consider this is ordered, but the difference between the ranks are not uniform. Then the second type that is based on the measurement, that is quantitative. What is quantitative data? Means these data type represents the measurable quantities and can be subjected to mathematical operations. Getting it? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why this is being saved? So when you're talking about quantitative means that represents the measurable quantities and can be subjected to mathematical operations. That comes under here. The first one is discrete and the second one is continuous. What is discrete? Discrete means these are the data that consist of distinct separate values that often counts of the items. Suppose example is the number of students in a class, number of cars in a parking lot, or the number of sales in a day. That comes under your discrete data. That is consist of distinct and some of the separate values. Okay. Then what are the characteristics of that? It cannot take the fractional value. Means the decimal value is not allowed. Or the fractional value. Means the values are supposed to be whole numbers. That is called discrete value. Getting it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then what is continuous data? Continuous, these are the data that can take any value within a given range, and these are often the measurements. Continuous means suppose the height, weight, temperature, time, income. These are the value within a given range. These are the measurement. So these things comes under your continuous data: height, weight, temperature, time, income, all these things. Getting it, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What are the characteristics? Means it can be infinitely divided and allowing for decimal points also. Continuous data means your height, weight, that can comes in decimal or fractional, right? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Then the next type
Yes.
is the types of data based on structure. What are the types of data based on structure? The first one is structured data. What is structured data? Means that this data is organized in a fixed format, and usually these are mainly in the rows and columns like in relational database. Example, suppose if you take structured data like a spreadsheet, SQL databases, your Excel sheet, financial transaction sheet, these all things comes under your structured data. Excel sheet, spreadsheet, SQL databases, all things comes under your structured data. What are the characteristics? Here, data entry is easier, to store is easy, and it requires means here the query using traditional data tools like SQL can be implemented to edit this or to add some data or to carry. Right, everyone? Then
Yes,
the
sir.
second type
Yes,
is
sir.
unstructured data. Unstructured data means the data without a predefined structure, that making it more complex to analyze. Suppose example, if you take the text files, social media posts, images, videos, audio recordings, all this comes under your mainly text, audio, video, images, all things comes under your unstructured data. Means here it requires the advanced techniques like NLP for text or computer vision for image analysis purposes to extract the insights from the data. Semi-structured. What is semi-structured data? Here the data that doesn't fit into strict tables but still contains organizational properties like tags or markers to separate the data elements. Suppose examples of semi-structured data like JSON file, XML files, NoSQL files, databases, emails, all those things comes under your on semi-structured data. Getting it? Means that is a flexible format and can be analyzed with specialized tools. Then the fourth one, that is time series data. What is time series data? Means these are the data, means these data points indexed in time order, often used to analyze the trends over time. Suppose example, the stock prices, weather data, sensor data, website traffic, these all things comes under time series data. Here the temporal sequence matters that used in forecasting the models. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then the
Yes,
next
sir.
type
Yes, sir.
is spatial data. What is spatial data? Spatial data means these are the data that representing the location, shape, and the relationship of objects in space. Suppose example like your GPS data, maps, satellite imagery. These all things comes under your spatial data, that is geospatial data. It means it includes the coordinates, boundaries, and geometry of the location. Getting it? What is spatial data? Spatial data, or you can tell it as geospatial data. Geospatial. Getting it, everyone?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes,
Then
sir.
the types
Yes,
of
sir.
data
Yes,
on
sir.
source, then the types of data, why understanding data types, all these things to be discussed in the next class. Okay, all of you getting it? What we have discussed today?
Yes,
Then
sir.
types
Yes,
of
sir.
data
Yes, sir.
analytics,
Yes,
data analytics life cycle to be discussed in the upcoming sessions: mean, median, mode, standard deviation. Then we'll discuss about the life cycle. In life cycle evaluation matrices, EDA to be discussed, etc., etc. Everything to be discussed time to time. I think you all have enjoyed today's class, all of you. If you enjoy the class, please give a thumbs up.
Sorry for the
Thank you.
interruption, sir.
Yes, tell
Can
me.
I ask you something to talk? Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, actually, I'm from the Scalar Academy, and I have learned the data analytics program. And when I was enrolling in this internship program, I was thinking that we will get the projects and all, which will
Just of sake, you'll get the project soon. Okay, just wait. We'll discuss about the project. I think the
No,
project has
sir,
not been
not
assigned
yet.
to all of you. Okay, we assigned with you,
No, sir.
assigned to you
No,
soon.
sir.
Then we'll discuss about the
No, sir.
project. Don't worry. Okay, that's why there are some students are here. Those are very new to this field. That's why some basic discussion should be mentioned, right? Tashuf.
Yeah, understood.
But
Thank you for the
yeah,
clear
but after 2-3 days you will be assigned with the project, then you will continue with the project. Okay, it's not like that I'll be doing the project along with all of you. I'll discuss how to proceed with the project, then you will do. I'll guide you in every week how to proceed with the project, what are the requirements to be done, what are the modification to be done over there. Means every week we'll track your project. Getting it? When we'll get the team very
Yeah.
soon, buddy, very soon. Yeah. So who are the people from Scalar Academy? Please raise your hand. This three. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Okay, you may leave the call, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Let me. Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow you may have
Thank you, sir.
another class. Okay? All of you.